Okay, so I got this foldable phone holder with a stand. It has 5-degree, 5-degree adjustable. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's very sturdy. It has this like a stainless steel compartment. It's collapsible so that I can put it in my bag and it won't take up much space. So when you open it up, this is how it looks like. It has this material that allows you to make it sturdy. Okay, so let's place it on the table, and it has this rubber that makes it stick on the table so that it doesn't move, and it's like a friction holder, right? So when you look at it, you can see it can tilt at different angles. So look at it. You can tilt it at different levels from 5 to 75 degrees. So I'm going to place my phone on it, and as you can see, my phone is very sturdy. It sits on it really, really well. Very nice. And it's not moving. It's sturdy. It doesn't move at all. This is one thing I love. And I also love that I can also change my phone's angle and put it horizontally. So this is such an amazing thing to have. I absolutely love it, and it's so durable, and it's not a flimsy hardware at all.